In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 5, and let me show you how to activate camera timer. So at first just open the camera app, and once you're in photo mode, just tap on settings icon. And here you will notice, okay, so it's at the top of the list. You will notice timer, mark it, and just pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Let's go back, and as you can see from now on, the picture will be grabbed with this delay. So at first you see the countdown, and then the picture is taken. And that's it. Then we can change it or turn it off the same way. So you can change it to 2 seconds or turn it off, whatever you want to do. As you can see, once it's off, you can grab a picture right after you click. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.